I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Linking a bank account on Skrill can seem tricky, but it is actually pretty straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Skrill account. Open the Skrill app or website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your bank account details handy. Step 2. Navigate to the bank account section. Once logged in, go to the settings menu, then find the bank accounts option. This is where you can manage your linked accounts. Step 3. Add a new bank account. Click on the Add Bank Account button. You will need to enter your bank account number, sort code, and any other required information. Step 4. Verify your bank account. Before filing your refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Note, sometimes the deposit can take a few days to appear, so be patient. Step 5. Confirm and save. Once verified, return to the Skrill app or website and confirm the addition of your bank account. Make sure everything is correct before saving. Now you're all set to use your bank account with Skrill. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Happy transacting.